Tornado emergency for the city of Eureka. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for central Greenwood County in east central Kansas until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 6 miles southwest of Eureka, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornado is directly aimed for the city of Eureka. Tornado emergency for the city of Eureka. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed a major cone tornado with violent motion and a consistent audible roar able to be heard within 2 miles of the tornado. Impact: this is an extremely dangerous tornado with a high level of impact possible. Complete decimation of mobile homes are expected. Well-built structures such as homes and businesses will be completely devastated, with the possibility of them being completely swept away off their foundations. Vehicles will be tossed into the air like toys and completely ripped into pieces once it touches the ground. Trees will be completely debarked and areas will look unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include Eureka, Hamilton, Virgil, Madison, Lamont, and Hilltop. This tornado will impact Eureka within the next 5 minutes. Take immediate tornado precautions now. This weather system has spawned numerous strong tornadoes throughout northern Oklahoma and southeastern Kansas. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path of this large and destructive tornado, take cover immediately. A basement or storm shelter is best. Otherwise, take cover in an interior closet or bathroom away from outside walls and windows. Cover your head with pillows and blankets to protect yourself from flying debris.